The Little Girl and the Crocodile Story. Once a little girl lived near a river. She loved playing by the water. One day, a crocodile saw her and said, "Come closer, little girl. I want to be your friend." The girl smiled and stepped forward, but an old man nearby warned her, "Be careful, crocodiles are not true friends." The girl hesitated, but the crocodile promised, "I will take you on a ride across the river." Trusting him, the girl climbed onto the crocodile's back. As they reached the middle of the river, the crocodile laughed and said, "Now I will eat you." The girl cried for help, and the old man threw a big stick at the crocodile. Scared, the crocodile let the girl go, and she swam safely to shore. Moral: never trust strangers blindly. Not everyone who acts friendly is truly kind. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.